something super simple that I'm doing today is changing out spark plugs and ignition coils in a 2010 BMW 535i. So really just pulling out these guys. It's just a matter of taking off the engine cover, making sure you kind of, which I do, is just tug this up just a little bit, enough to actually get access to the plug here. This is the clip that locks it in place. Make sure you just flip that up, the plug out, and then take the ignition coil out. Then what you want to do is also get all of this mess out, which is super simple. There's no real actual bolts to it. It's just little plastic things like this that just take a 14mm socket, and then the rest is just clips. Now for spark plugs, however, as you guys can see, it's a straight line V6. Obviously you got your fuel injectors there, you got your cylinders here, so you got your spark plug way down in there. But you want to make sure you get a 14mm. This is going to be a magnetic socket. It does have the, I don't even know what this is called, but it's got the flexible neck to it. I made a little bit more of an extension because I'll be honest with you, the fifth cylinder here is a little hard to get to rather than the 6. I found that out real quick because of the bar, and I couldn't take off the bar. But the bar, if you want to take it off, it's this bolt, those two, and that one, because it is one solid bar, not two separate pieces. But it's really simple. So I'm installing Delphi Technologies ignition coils for performance with NGK 1-step colder spark plug, so these should be amazing. Now currently I'm running a stage 1 tune with this, with an upgraded intercooler by VRSF, so perfect. I mean, even if it's stock, these will do really well. Even those will do really well. Performance parts doesn't always mean you have to be fast. It's just for better usage of the car and getting the best bang out of your buck. So then it is torquing the spark plugs 23 Newton meters. That's still really loose. Okay. Oops, gotta find it. There we go. 2, 3, and then you just do that on the rest of the cylinders, so we still got 4 more. 5 coils, just put in cylinder 1 here. Move the plug out of the way. All wires out of the way. And then bam, make sure it snaps in there. Put the plug back on. Bam. Same thing with cylinder 2. Move the plug out of the way. Put it in there. There we go. Put the plug back on. Bam. Do the rest for the other 4. The entire process shouldn't take more than about 30 minutes in total. That stuff is more of a bear to get off than anything else. But now it is complete.